Good morning, class. Today we further continue with our chapter Money and Credit. Today is 14 July and let's move on with the chapter Money and Credit. And today I am going to begin with very important part of the chapter, and that part is terms of credit. You can see very clearly here in this the flow chart is made, and which in flow chart there are four parts. First part is interest rate, second part is collateral, documents and mode of repayment. So I yesterday told you in the video that what is credit. Credit is simply the loan that is given to the person who needs it, and credit is very important for the development of any nation. If credit will not be there, there will be a lot of problem of development, because the needy person will not get the loan, and if the needy person will not get the loan, the desires and needs cannot be fulfilled. क्रेडिट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्रेडिट इज ए लोन है जो कि ज़रूरतमंद लोगों को दिया जाता है डिफरेंट लोन्स के फॉर्म में, जैसे होम लोन, क्रेडिट लोन, कार लोन और इंडस्ट्री लोन, फार्मर लोन, एंड दीज लोन्स हेल्प इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ क्रेडिट. लेकिन क्रेडिट देने समय व्हाट आर द थिंग्स व्हाट वी कंसीडर वाइल वी टेक अ लोन. कोई भी लोन जब लिया जाता है, व्हेनेवर वी टेक अ लोन, देयर आर फोर थिंग्स दैट आर डिसाइडेड, एंड दीज थिंग्स आर इंटरेस्ट रेट, कोलेट्रल, डॉक्यूमेंट्स and mode of repayment, and these four things combined are called terms of credit. Terms means the things that we decide before taking any loan or credit. So let's move on to the first part. What is interest rate? Interest rate, whenever we go to bank or whenever we go to any informal sector of credit like money lenders, before taking the loan, the money lenders clearly tell us that what interest means, what extra money are they going to charge when they give us the loan for any specific period. Suppose the bank says that the bank will charge 8 to 10% of interest per lakh. So suppose I take 1 lakh rupees, so I will have to return 1 lakh 8,000 rupees after 1 year. Means 1 lakh rupees was taken by me and I have returned 1 lakh 8,000 rupees after 1 year. So 8,000 rupees is the earning of bank. As we have already studied in the last video, that banks are the formal sector of giving money. They are authorized by government, so the rate of interest is very low. But if we move on to the private money lenders or traders, this rate of interest becomes very high. This rate of interest becomes very high when we move on to the money lenders. It becomes normally around 50% to 60%, because they charge monthly. They charge 4 to 5% monthly. Suppose on 1 lakh rupees which they give, they take 5,000 per month, which amounts to 60,000 per year. So it is very, very, very dangerous to take loan from such money lenders. So interest rate, again I'll tell you, it is the rate at which the lender and borrower agree to take and give a loan. The rate of interest is known as interest rate. ठीक है? It is, I have also shown you by an arrow that this rate is quite low when formal sector of money is there, and it is very, very high for informal sector of money. Next important part is collateral. Collateral, what is collateral? Collateral is the asset. It is normally in the form of land, papers of land, or jewelry, or any valuable thing that we give as a guarantee to take a loan. यानी कि कोलेट्रल इज ए सॉर्ट ऑफ गारंटी। जब हम लोन लेने जाते हैं तो हम ज़मीन के ऊपर लोन लेते हैं या अपने गहनों के ऊपर लोन लेते हैं, अपनी कोई चीज़ दिखा के लोन लेते हैं। दैट गारंटी, दैट एसेट, दैट थिंग is known as a collateral. It is the valuable thing that the bank or money lenders keep with them. They keep this thing with themselves unless the whole loan is completed or the whole loan is repaid. So collateral is the asset in the form of land or jewelry mostly, or any other valuable thing that a borrower uses as a guarantee to take a loan. Third important thing is paper or documents. Obviously, we will require our Aadhaar card, we will require our PAN card, we will require our bank statements and all. These are the papers that are required by the bank to give the loan. These papers are also important, and we have to sign an agreement that we have agreed to take a loan on such and such interest, and it will be repaid in such and such date or years. So these paperwork is also important for taking a loan. Paperwork is normally done, it is stamped, and it is because of the paper only that the loan becomes valid. For the informal sector of credit, we don't require any paperwork. We normally have an agreement and we go with. We don't require much paperwork in informal sector of credit because the interest rate is very high and it is also non-authorized by government. Next is, last but not of least, the interest rate, the collateral and paperwork, and last is mode of repayment. How we will repay the loan, how we will repay the EMIs, monthly or yearly, whatever thing is decided. There are only two ways of paying the repayment. Either we do it by check or we do it by cash. Either we deposit it in the account of the giver or the lender, or we pay it by cash to the lender. So these are four important aspects, very important aspects, and these are termed as terms of credit. Okay, so I hope you have understood these terms of credit, and these terms of credit are very, very important. And these terms of credit are collateral, interest rate, papers or documents, and mode of repayment. Further, I am going to continue how cooperative societies help, and this will complete our whole money and credit chapter. There are some important terminology which I will be sharing with you, along with the question answers also, which you will do and show it to me. Thank you.